The global SUV landscape is witnessing a seismic shift, and the epicenter is once again coming from China. Today, we're looking at a vehicle that doesn't just offer a new design, but a new philosophy of interaction. Chery has officially pulled the curtain back on the all-new Tiggo 7L. At first glance, it may seem like another premium SUV, but the moment you step inside, the 15.6-inch sliding screen tells a different story. Is this the future of cabin ergonomics, or just a high-tech distraction? We've got nearly 6 minutes of deep tech analysis coming your way. Welcome to Vision Effect Global TV. To understand why this interior is so fluid, we have to look under the skin. As you see on our technical breakdown, the Tiggo 7L is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chipset. This isn't just a marketing label, it's the necessity that allows that 2.5K resolution sliding screen to move across the dashboard without a single frame of lag. Built on the flexible T1X architecture, Chery has integrated the Lion 5.0 smart cockpit system, which uses AI to predict user needs. The engineering challenge here wasn't just the software, but the mechanical precision of the sliding rail itself, designed to withstand years of constant movement while maintaining a silent, premium operation. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the competition. The Geely Starray has been the benchmark for tech-heavy midsize SUVs, but Chery is swinging hard. Looking at our comparison data, the difference in philosophy is clear. While Geely bets on a fixed, vertical 13.2-inch layout, Chery's sliding 15.6-inch panel offers a shared experience between driver and co-pilot. Performance-wise, both brands are neck and neck. Chery's 1.6T and 2.0T TGDI engines are engineering marvels of efficiency, often outperforming European rivals in thermal management. But where the Tiggo 7L truly wins is versatility. Offering both 5- and 7-seat options in this footprint gives it a strategic edge for families who need that occasional extra row without moving up to a massive full-size SUV. Every innovation comes with a trade-off. After analyzing the first static tests, the pros are undeniable. The sliding screen is a genuine game-changer for passenger entertainment, and the material quality in the 7L has reached a point where it genuinely challenges established luxury brands. However, we have to be objective. The heavy reliance on glossy black surfaces is a nightmare for fingerprints, and as you can see in our cons list, the move to eliminate physical buttons for complex touch menus can be a steep learning curve. The question is, does the wow factor of the sliding display outweigh the daily practicality of physical controls? For the tech-savvy generation, the answer is a resounding yes. Where does the Tiggo 7L land in the grand scheme of things? Our market positioning graph shows a clear trajectory. Chery is moving vertically, pushing the technology and luxury bar higher while keeping the price point horizontally competitive. This tech value strategy is designed to suffocate traditional mid-range SUVs that are still using traditional dashboard layouts. By the time April 7th comes, this vehicle will likely be one of the most discussed models in the segment, serving as a blueprint for how Chery plans to dominate the global export markets in 2026. The Chery Tiggo 7L is more than just an SUV. It's a mobile laboratory for the future of the smart cockpit. It proves that innovation isn't just about horsepower anymore. It's about the digital experience. Will the sliding screen become the new industry standard? Only time will tell. What are your thoughts on Chery's latest move? Drop a comment below, and if you found this analysis helpful, hit that subscribe button to join our global tech community. I'm Ava, and this has been a Vision Effect Global TV exclusive. Drive safe and stay tech forward.